So today I want to talk to you about something that almost everybody experiences when they start using AI. That moment when the output feels generic. It's flat, like it could have been written by absolutely anyone. And the first instinct is usually, oh my gosh, I need a better prompt. But here's the real reason your AI output seems generic. It doesn't have anything to do with the prompts. Most people give AI instructions, but they don't give it identity. Say things like, make this sound more conversational, or write this in a warm tone, use simple language. But those are directions and not a voice. Imagine someone trying to write like you without ever hearing you speak, reading anything that you've written, or knowing how you naturally explain things. And that's what we're asking AI to do. That's why the output feels generic. It's just pulling from things it knows. The fix is really simple. You want to give AI your patterns, your tone, your phrasing, your rhythms, your examples, your way of explaining things. Even 2 or 3 short samples of your real writing, even if it's not good, can completely transform the output. Now, here's what happens when you do that. AI will stop guessing. It stops defaulting to generic language. It stops sounding like a template, and instead it starts sounding like you because it finally has something real to learn from. And the best part, you won't need to rewrite everything that you get or write anything new. You can use a text message, a short email, a paragraph from the post, a note that you wrote to a client, anything that reflects your natural voice. You can even just click that little mic button and just talk to your AI for a little bit. Once AI has those examples, your prompts can actually get shorter because the identity is already installed. You're no longer trying to force a tone. You're simply guiding a voice that already exists. So if your AI output feels generic, it's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's because AI just doesn't know you yet. So give it a few real examples, let it learn from your patterns, and watch how quickly the output shifts from generic to grounded to unmistakably you.